Alright, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at some of these hard to clean areas that tend to accumulate dirt in this Tesla Model 3. I've owned it for about a year and I'm telling you, it still looks brand new, and I'm going to share how I did it with you. Alright, so it's pretty simple. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning the seats. Man, we all love these seats. They're modern, they're nice, the fabric looks awesome, but I'll tell you, they're faux leather, fake leather, some call it vegan leather. It doesn't matter what you call it, it's not leather, and it's fragile. I've seen all too many times, especially with the hand sanitizer. You end up with a drop of hand sanitizer on there, it saturates into the fabric, burns it, man, you'll never get it off. So I keep a microfiber towel behind my seat. Someone spills hand sanitizer, man, I got it out, and I'm trying to get it off before it damages that material. I suggest you do the same. Alright, so let's talk about the interval cleaning on the seats. Now obviously we're going to do a larger clean at different intervals, maybe once a month, maybe every other week, maybe once a week, depending on how often you clean your car. But it tends to accumulate during that time, and I feel like as long as we take good care of it, we can keep it looking new almost forever. So I like to do spot cleaning in between. Now you'll get body oils on the seats, you'll get hand cream on the seats, you'll get French fry grease, you'll get Starbucks coffee, whatever, you name it, it ends up on the seats. We're using these cars, that's the whole point. And it's best to get it off as soon as it happens, or maybe in between your larger details, get them wiped down. Okay, so today we're going to be using the P&S Express Interior Cleaner. You guys have seen me use this over and over again, and it's my go-to interior cleaner. It works great, it leaves no residue, it has a reasonable smell to it, which kind of dissipates right away, even though it's pleasant anyway, and I really like it. We're going to be using a high-quality microfiber towel, and I'll put links to all these things down in the description so that you can be sure and get the right products for you to use. Now with this Express Interior Cleaner, one more thing. I use it in a 50-50 dilution ratio, half water, half product. That makes that affordable bottle just go twice as far. And it's okay, according to the company, to do that. And it's been working great. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Get this seat cleaned up. Yeah. Alright, so this is a good example. We got this kind of greasy looking stuff on the seat. It happens, it's no big deal, but we want to get that off as soon as possible. So it's quite easy. To maintain the mess, we just spray it onto the cloth, not onto the seat. Just takes a very little bit. Give the seat a good wipe in whatever pattern you feel like is the best. Turn it over, buff off the rest of the product, even though we know it'll dry on its own, no problem. And there you go, like brand new again. And I gotta tell you, it feels slick, it looks good. It took 5 seconds and 2 cents worth of product, maybe not literally, but pretty close. And I gotta say, it looks great, it looks brand new. That's what we're looking for. We want quick, easy ways, affordable, anybody can do. And there it is. All right, yeah. All right, and that's all it takes to get your seats cleaned up on a routine spot cleaning. And it's easy, it's affordable, and anybody can do it. And it doesn't take hardly any time at all. Very little product as well. So if you like these kind of videos and you want to see more of them, hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. It doesn't cost anything, and it really helps the channel out, and we appreciate it. It makes me happy to see the subscriber list going up. The likes also are huge. They tell YouTube you like the video, and it recommends it to other people, and that also is awesome. If you want to ask any questions about what I did, I've owned this vehicle for a year. I've taken really good care of it. It's in really good condition. I want to help you keep yours in good condition too. And you know what? It's not just about Teslas. This could work on any car. So no matter what kind of car you got, asked a question. I'll try to help you as quick as I can. And we appreciate you coming by, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah. Woo! Man, I got to tell you, it's been a good year with this car. I like it a lot. Every time I drive it, it's super fun. Fast too, man. Super fast. All right.